Welcome back to Health Hypes, your home for smart, simple health advice. Today's topic is all about something essential to every healthy diet: macronutrients, or macros for short. Whether you're trying to lose weight, gain muscle, or just eat better, understanding macros is the first step towards success. Let's break down the three main macros: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. What they do, where to find them, and how much you need. What are macros? Macros are the nutrients your body needs in large amounts to function properly. They give you energy, build tissue, and support your organs. Each macro plays a unique role, and balancing them is key to good health. 1. Protein. Let's start with protein. Protein is the building block of your muscles, skin, hormones, and enzymes. It helps repair tissue, builds lean muscle, and keeps you feeling full. Best sources of protein include chicken, turkey, eggs, fish, and seafood, beans, lentils, tofu, Greek yogurt, and cottage cheese. How much do you need? Most adults need about 0.8 to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day, more if you're reactive or over 60 seniors. In particular, benefit from a higher protein intake to maintain muscle mass and strength. 2. Carbohydrates. Next up, carbohydrates, your body's main source of energy. Carbs fuel your brain, organs, and muscles, especially during activity, but not all carbs are created equal. Healthy carbs include whole grains like oats, brown rice, quinoa, fruits and vegetables, legumes like beans and peas. Try to avoid or limit refined sugars, white bread, pastries, and sugary cereals. Focus on complex carbs that provide fiber and nutrients. These help regulate your blood sugar, keep you full longer, and support digestion. 3. Fats. Now, let's talk about fats. Fats often get a bad reputation, but the truth is, healthy fats are vital for your brain, hormones, and cells. There are 3 types of fats: unsaturated fats, good for your heart; saturated fats, okay in small amounts; trans fats, avoid these completely. Aim for fats to make up about 20 to 35% of your daily calories, mostly from healthy sources. So how do you balance your macros? A general guideline for a balanced plate is 40 to 50% carbohydrates, minus 25 to 30% protein. 20 to 30% fats. Everyone's needs are different depending on their age, activity level, and health goals. But this ratio works for most people aiming to feel strong and energized. Here are a few quick tips. Eat protein with every meal to stay full and maintain muscle. Choose whole carbs over refined ones. Don't fear fats. Just choose the healthy ones. Read food labels and understand what you're putting in your body. Use a food tracking app if you're serious about hitting macro goals. Understanding your macros gives you control over your nutrition, whether you're managing weight, supporting heart health, or just staying active. The right balance of protein, carbs, and fats can make all the difference. Like and share it with your loved one. Follow and subscribe to Health Hypes for more healthy tips, especially designed for seniors and wellness-minded adults. Thanks for watching, and take good care of your health, one meal at a time.